we're in Jerusalem with the Temple Mount behind us.
Well, he was fully man too, so I think he had emotions of man and joy and laughter and crying just like we do. So I think that was his human nature that was coming out.
Right, and he cried when Lazarus died. I mean, he mourned for his family, he mourned for us.
I wonder if he cried about, one of the things we pray for is unity in our faith, Christians, and so much sin and division and things happening in our current age. I just wonder if it's the separation that we were all meant to follow him and be one, and yet we have three different major religions, and within our own religion there's so much division. So I don't know. I wonder if it's about unity for his followers and his faithful.
We're at the Western Wall, or the Wailing Wall, which is the most sacred site for the Jewish faith and for the Jewish religion. It's very moving to be here for a Catholic as well. Kathy and I, there's a men's side and a women's side. We have both written a prayer or two to put into the wall.
Knowing the historical, archaeological reality, I feel it strengthens my faith.
Me ha reafirmado más, ¿no? El hacer más fuerte pues mi fe, pues te ayuda a situar cuando lees el Evangelio, ¿no? Y también pues eso, buscar tus raíces.